What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw the ingenious portrait from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna pick a point in the middle of her hairline and draw an arch to the right, and then I'm gonna make that line extend down to the right, and I'm gonna curl it up, and I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the left and to the middle of the hairline, and I'm gonna make an arch at this point and turn it down to the middle right there. And then on the left side, I'm gonna do a similar shape to the left, and I'm gonna stop that line at that point, and I'm gonna take this point and draw the left side of her face with a curved line down and slightly outwards at the cheek and back in as you move towards the chin right there. And I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the chin and extend that line to the right side of the face. And I'm gonna make another turn up on the right side right there, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle line at the corner, and from this point I'm gonna draw a semicircle line down, and from this point I'm gonna draw a mirror of that, and I'm gonna make a turn at the bottom and back up to that point and a short line across. Now I'm gonna continue the line of the ear up, and I'm gonna make a turn to the side and then back down towards the side of the face, and from that point I'm gonna draw a short curved line to the center of the face and sharp turn back out, and I'm gonna make a curved line at that point to the hair. Now on the left side of the face, I'm gonna draw a strand of hair with a curved line out and a sharp turn back in, and then I'm gonna make another curved line from the side of the face from this point out and up, and I'm gonna make a turn slightly to the right and up, and I'm gonna extend it upwards and turn it to the right at this point and turn it back down to the center of the hairline. Now at this corner I'm gonna draw a line diagonally down and turn it downwards, and on top of this hair I'm gonna continue that line to the back and turn it sideways to the right and down to that point. Now from the right ear I'm gonna draw a line up for the goggles, and turn it slightly to the left as you go to the top portion right there, and I'm gonna turn it sideways to the left, and from the front here, from the parting of the hair in front, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back right there. And at this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and a sharp turn back down to that point. And going back to the line behind on top of the head, I'm gonna continue that across and turn it diagonally down on the left side right there. Now for the goggles, I'm gonna draw from this point a line up and diagonally to the right there, and turn it to the center of the head. And for the right side of the goggle, I'm gonna take this point and draw a line up and turn it sideways, and then diagonally down and turn it towards the head. And from this point, I'm going to draw a line to the back and turn it downwards. And for the strap, I'm going to draw a line here and turn it sideways. Then I'm going to make a curved line to that point and turn it to the left and to the base. Now from this point, I'm going to draw a curved line towards the ear right there, and another line on this side right there. And at this buckle, at the side of the goggle, I'm going to draw a line down, and we're going to trace this side right here. And inside of this shape, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there. And for the goggle, I'm going to draw a line right here and turn it down to that point. And at the side, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there, and another one on this side, and a line in the middle of that. And for this, the goggle on each side, I'm gonna trace a line across at the bottom point right here, and we're gonna do the same thing at this bottom point on the right as well. Now going back to the hair, I'm gonna take this point behind the goggle and draw a curved line down, and another one from this point going down, and turn it diagonally to the left. And from this point, I'm going to draw another curved line down and semicircle turn. And from the lower point of the jaw here, I'm going to mirror the same shape to that point. And for the hair, I'm going to draw from this point a semicircle line right there, and turn it up at that point, and a semicircle turn at the side. And on this side, I'm going to draw a semicircle line and extend it down to the side of the earlier shape that we've done. And we're going to copy that shape as we go lower right here. And at this point, I'm going to draw a circle line surrounding the base. And below that, a curved line down on both the left and right point right there. Now for her face, I'm going to draw her eye. from the point in the middle here, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and turn it sideways to the right. And then for the bottom line, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner and another curved line for the inner corner of the eye. Inside of the eye, in the middle, I'm gonna draw a circle for her pupil and a small circle at this corner and a black circle in the middle. Now at this corner right here on top, I'm gonna add a line, and above the eye I'm gonna add her eyebrow, and I'm gonna add a few diagonal line strokes in the middle portion right here, and on the right side I'm gonna draw a line to the side of the face and turn it down at the inner corner, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the top part right there, and we're gonna copy the same shape on the right side as well. Now in the middle of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the eyebrow at this point to the center right there. And for the tip of the nose, I'm gonna draw a line down right there and make a semicircle turn at the tip. And a curved line at the nostril right there. And for her nose ring, I'm gonna draw a circle at the bottom of the tip there, and another one on the outer portion right there. And at the side of the nose, I'm just gonna add curved line on both sides right there. And for her mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and back down at the center, and copy that on the right side. And from the corner, I'm gonna do the same thing for this lower point. And for the lower part of the mouth, for the lips, I'm gonna draw across a curved line there, and another one below that. Now on the left side of her face, I'm going to draw a curved line out right there, and at the bottom I'm going to make a turn to the right and back up, and a curved line at this corner. Now below her face, I'm going to draw her neck from this point down and turn it to the side. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here. And for the hair, we're gonna copy the same shape on this side. So at this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally to the left and turn it back to the right with a curved line at that point, and I'm gonna make a turn down below that. Now at the side of the hair, I'm gonna draw a line sideways, and I'm gonna make a curved line up right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here, and I'm gonna trace the same line at this portion, and then below that I'm gonna draw a line down and diagonally right there and turn it sideways. I'm gonna trace the same outline at this point and a line on top. Now beside the hair on the right here, I'm gonna draw a line out, and from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line up and outwards and make a semicircle line at the corner, and I'm gonna trace the same line at this point right here, and I'm gonna make a line out to the shoulders and turn it downwards on the side, and at this point I'm gonna draw a line down for the inner line of her arm and a line down from this corner right there. And at this point here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line to the hair, and in the middle of the shirt I'm gonna draw across a curved line down and a curved line across and back up on the side, and on the left side I'm gonna draw the line of the shoulder from this point out and a semicircle turn down to that point, and a curved line at this point right here down. Just gonna add a few more curved line at the side here like that, and for her hair we can add a few curved lines to give more details right there.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.